For $80 or less, you can get a phone that has a higher screen resolution than the iPhone X, RGB, and enough features to satisfy your needs. Too good to be true? Well, let's see. So in 2014, LG released their latest flagship, the G3. At its $599 launch price, you get a Snapdragon 801 clocked at 2.46 GHz, 32 GB of storage, 3 GB of RAM, Android KitKat which can be upgraded to Marshmallow, an amazing 5.5-inch Quad HD LCD screen, a 2.1 megapixel selfie with a 2160p 13 megapixel main camera with a dual LED flash with laser autofocus, and NFC and wireless charging support. So let's start off with the build. The phone is mainly made out of plastic but still feels nice in the hand. It has a nice brushed aluminum look on the front bezel and back cover. So about the back cover. Since this is a phone from the earlier generation, it has a removable battery cover. This allows to swap batteries, which is a must on this phone because of terrible battery life. And you can even expand storage via microSD up to what I believe is 256 gigabytes. You can also buy the Quick Circle case, which enables you to have NFC and QI wireless charging. Or you can buy the NFC sticker and apply it on the rear cover yourself. Okay, moving on to the camera. We have a 2.1 megapixel selfie and 13 megapixel main camera. You also have laser autofocus to, well, focus better to get the shot you need. The camera has good potential, but in lower light condition, it's grainy and not all that great. Video is pretty good, better than my old phone. If you want to see what video is like on this phone, check out my previous videos. Now on to gaming and performance. This is where things get a little disappointing. The G2, yes, the G3's predecessor, has a slightly better Geekbench score, but that could differ because of how hot the phone gets. After even a little bit of usage, the phone feels like it may explode, but trust me, it probably won't. But a benchmark doesn't say much. What about using the phone normally? To be honest, it's decently snappy. It's not the fastest and most responsive, but not the slowest either. Gaming is okay too. You can easily play a game of Asphalt 8 or Minecraft at medium to high settings, or PUBG at the lowest to medium settings. Now to all the good stuff. Lost your TV, DVD, or air conditioner remote? Well, now you can have all three in one using the phone's built-in IR blaster, which is quite rare in the phone world. Just use the built-in Quick Remote app and follow the instructions to replicate your desired remote. Audio is pretty good too. I managed to get Dolby Atmos working with a noticeable audio difference using, yes, a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is also sadly going away very slowly. The phone also has a notification LED which is full RGB. You get all of LG's features like knock on and knock code. Since this is Marshmallow, you can get the Google Assistant. The phone also has gyroscopic sensors, which allows you to have Google Cardboard. And to wrap things up, let's talk about the amazing Quad HD screen. Its resolution is 2560 by 1440, which, yes, technically speaking, is higher than the iPhone X's. But in all seriousness, the screen is really nice. It's very sharp, great pixel density, and is reasonably bright. The only thing I would have wanted to see is an AMOLED display. So maybe the screen doesn't beat the iPhone X's, but is the 4-year-old, 3-generation-old LG flagship still a good option? And should you buy it? Well, why not? The phone has become super cheap and has lots to offer. I got mine well under $80 on Amazon, and you should be able to find one around that price point. But just consider that this is an older phone and tends to overheat and slow down, but I'm working on a cooling fix, which I will share in the future. Well, that's a wrap. Remember, I'll link all things mentioned in the description below. Anyways, what do you guys think? Is this years old phone still worth it? Let me know in the comments below and I'll see you later. Also, don't forget to leave a like, get subscribed, and enable notifications so you don't miss any new uploads.